In this video today, we will see how to back up the WhatsApp chat and then restore it later on. So if you want to back up the WhatsApp chat, then go to WhatsApp application, tap on the three dotted icons, go to settings, go to chats. So go to chat backup, and then from here you have the option to back up the chat to the Google Drive. And if you want to select which account to use, go to this option Google account, and from here you can select any Google account where you want to back up the chat. The next thing what you can do is you can also go to this option back up to Google Drive, and then you can select how frequently you want to back up the chat, daily, never, etc. The other option what you can do is you have the option to back up your chat only by using Wi-Fi or cellular, both. If you want to save the data of your phone, then you can select Wi-Fi only. And there is one more option here. If you want to include videos, you can enable this button include videos, but it will take more space. So just set the settings as your requirement. Then after that, what you can do, you can select this option backup. So once you do this one, the chat which are present in your WhatsApp will be backed up to the Google Drive. Now suppose if you want to find out whether the WhatsApp chat is backed up or not, then what you can do is you can go to this Google Drive, open it, go to the account here and choose the account where you have backed up your WhatsApp chat. Then what you do, go to this menu button, go to backups, and if you have backup done, then it will show the backup here. Now suppose if you want to restore your WhatsApp chat in another device, or if you just uninstall the WhatsApp and then reinstall in the same device and want to restore the backup chat, then what you do, open WhatsApp application, select agree and continue. Then you need to enter the phone number which is present in this device. Next, then the device will ask you if this is the correct phone number. If it is, then select OK. Then the device will try to verify it. So it does by either sending an SMS or by giving you a call. So now my device is verified. So what I will do, I will select continue here, and then I will allow WhatsApp to access my contact and then access my medias and files. Now you can see that WhatsApp has found backup and wants to restore. Select restore, and you can see the backup is restored. So select next. I have to give a name, so I'll just give any name and then next. And since you have installed WhatsApp application in this device, WhatsApp will remind you if you want to back up the chat. So if you want, select either on daily basis or on weekly basis, whatever suits you. Then select the account where you want to back up, then select done, and you can see that my WhatsApp chat has been restored. So this is how you will either back up or restore the chat in WhatsApp application. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.